CF-SID009 lithium drill. Drilling screws. Drilling holes in wood. Drilling holes in iron plates. The impact move allows drilling into walls. The body is made of nylon material shell. 3D non-slip textured rubberized handle makes it more comfortable to hold. Compact and aesthetically pleasing and lightweight design. High-performance brushless motor and double-bearing transmission, providing strong power. Speed 2 gear adjustment. First gear 1800 RPM, second gear 50 RPM. 3 function adjustment. Drilling, screwing, impact mode. Torque adjustment 1-20 gears. Forward and reverse adjustment. Ratchet quick self-tightening chuck. The gearbox self-locking function makes disassembly more convenient and faster. Strong LED auxiliary light. Battery level display. Stepless speed switch. A high-end batch head is given as a gift. Torque, 55 Nm adapts to various working needs. Battery, 2.0S16, 8V.